The frog drum. Very clever little instrument. They put a bit of violin rosin on the indentation in the stick, followed by a string. So when you do this, it makes the string vibrate when you turn the stick. And then the goat skin head on top of this tiny little drum acts as a resonator. And a fun thing to do, if you move your hand away from the drum and close to the drum, you can change the pitch. So you can create some interesting little rhythms. Originally, it was used as a to sound like a swamp full of frogs. And in Southeast Asia, as in many cultures, the frog is seen as a sign of good luck. When you see frogs, well, the rains have come and you're probably going to have good crops and things. So anything related to a frog is seen as a sign of good luck. So this is used quite a bit at festivals and celebrations. The frog drum.